Hello everyone. Our company has introduced a new device, anti-theft shutter alarm for shops and offices. Now we'll show you how the product actually works. This product is based on a spring mechanism. This product is installed on the shutters on the inner side so as to prevent burglaries and theft. Now we'll show you how the product actually works. As you can see, there is a lock mechanism here. Whenever you're going out and closing the shutter, you just switch the device on, take the key and press the button given here. This button will turn on the green light, which means the device is on. Now whenever you're closing the shutter, the device would be placed like this. The pin would come on top. Now we'll actually show you from the side how the device actually keeps, how the device is positioned. Now whenever there is an intrusion, the pin would, due to its spring mechanism, would come down like this, and the red light would be activated, as you can see, and in 15 seconds a sharp powerful alarm would go off. We'll show you how it will be activated. This is how the product works. Now we will show you where do you install the device on your shutter. Now you can see the bottom strip of your shutter. This is the one. The device is placed like this. You drill on the sides and fix it by screw. Now you can see the pin comes at the bottom and it comes out of the shutter like this when it's in open position. And whenever it will be in closed position, the pin would go, wait a moment, the pin would go on top like this. So this is how the product has to be installed. Now if you are the owner of the shop or office and you are coming inside, then every time you come inside, you'll have to switch off the device yourself, inserting the keys like this. Otherwise, even if you come, the alarm would go off. So this is how the device works. Thank you very much.